Tonight, I would like to tell you a story of my past. Listen, everyone. I still remember the day that we are living in a small, beautiful house. In that very small, beautiful house, I have my loving mama. And I also have my very responsible papa. And yes, I am the princess of the family. Until one sad scenario happened. My mom went to work, so the only person that is in the house is me and my papa. And I still remember the day that I have a lot of toys, so my father asked me to play. He said, "Come on, baby, let's play." I said, "Papa, run, run!" But my father suddenly locked the door. I am very confused on that particular moment why he locked the door, but my father shouted at me, "Quiet! Shut up!" I am very confused on that particular moment, but my father slowly touches my hands, down to my shoulder, to my breast, and to my private part. Oh, my father asked me, oh, my father raped me. I said, "Papa, don't do this to me. I want to be a doctor someday." But my mama told me how to be a brave girl. So I get something in my pocket. I said, "Papa, approach me." And when my father approached me, I stopped and killed my own papa. I put the justice in my head. Until 3 months later, something is knocking on my tummy. Oh, what is this? A baby. The father of my own child is my papa. No! Panel of judges, I know 3 minutes is not enough to showcase our talent. Ibigay niyo na sa karapat-dapat, ngunit inialay ang aking talento sa lahat ng kababaihan na rinito. Dapat nating bigyan ng papuri, parangal at pagmamahal. Dahil kung wala sila, ay wala lahat tayo. And